Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself I'm Gangotri, studying in first year BE SVCE Bengaluru. Today I'm going to explain the topic of waste collection system design. Before going to know about the waste collection system design, we should know about what is waste collection and waste management system. First, I would like to explain about what is solid waste. Solid waste is nothing but it containing both organic and inorganic waste materials such as plastic, cloth, paper and etc. It is generally does not carry any value from the first user. Then solid waste collection. What is meant by solid waste collection? The transfer of solid waste from the point of use and disposal to the point of treatment or landfill is called solid waste collection. What is meant by waste management system? In generally we can say that a broad category of activities encompassing the handling, transportation, treatment, storage and disposal of waste. Now we are entering into the actual topic. Introduction to waste collection system design. Waste collection system design plays a crucial role in managing and disposing of waste efficiently. A well-designed waste collection system can minimize the environmental impacts and improve public health. Factors such as population density, waste generation rates and available infrastructure should be considered when designing a waste collection system. Types of waste collection system. There are three types of waste collection system. They are curbside collection, drop-off centers and transfer stations. First, curbside collection. The most common type of waste collection system where waste is collected from individual household or businesses. Second, drop-off centers. Facilities where individuals can bring their waste for proper disposal or recycling. Third, transfer stations. We all know about that. Intermediate facilities where waste is temporarily stored before being transported to a final disposal site. Various formulated used to calculate waste collection are. These are the sum of formulas which is used to calculate the waste collection. Factors to consider in waste collection system design. They are waste generation rates, population density and accessibility. First, waste generation rates. The amount of waste produced by the population served by the system determines the capacity needed. Second, population density. Higher population densities may require more frequent collection services and specialized collection vehicles. Third, accessibility. The system should be designed to be easily accessible to all the residents, considering factors such as physical barriers and transportation options. Collection vehicle selection. There are three types of collection vehicle selection. First, vehicle capacity, vehicle type, environmental considerations. These three should be considered for the vehicle selection. First, vehicle capacity. The size of the collection vehicle should match the waste generation rates and collection frequency to optimize the efficiency. Second, vehicle type. Different types of waste require different collection vehicles such as compactors for bulky waste or refrigerator trucks or for organic waste. These requires a different or special types of vehicles to transport them to disposal site. Environmental considerations. Choosing vehicle with low emission or alternative fuel options can be reduce the environmental impact of waste collection system. Vehicles with using the biofuel should be better for the vehicle selection transportation of waste from a collection to the disposal site. Collection frequency and schedulism. Collection frequency determined by waste generation rates, population density and available resources. The frequency should balance efficient waste management with cost effectiveness. Then scheduling. What is meant by scheduling? Establishing regular collection schedules and communicating them to resides help ensure timely waste removal and avoid the overflowing bins. Containerization and bin design. Container size and type. Container should approximately sized to accommodate the waste volume generated, preventing overflow and underutilization. Durability. Containers should be designed to withstand rough handling, weather conditions and potential damage to ensure longevity. Accessibility features. Containers should be designed with features like wheels, handles and easy to open lids to facilitate efficient waste collection for residents. Collection routes optimization. Routes planning. Optimal routes planning minimizes travel distance and time, reducing fuel consumption and vehicle emission. Second, geographic information system, that is mean GIS technology. Utilizing GIS technology can help optimize collection routes based on real-time data and traffic conditions. Collection frequency. Optimized routes results in less vehicle wear and tear, reduced fuel cost and improved overall waste collection efficiency. Recycling and special waste collection. Separate collection system and education and awareness are important in this. First, separate collection system. Designing separate collection system for recyclable, hazardous waste and other special waste improve the resource recovery and minimize environmental impacts. Education and awareness. Promoting recycling and proper disposal practices through educational campaigns can ensure residents to participate in recycling program. Collection infrastructure. Provide designated collection points for special waste such as electronic or hazardous material. Ensures their proper handling and disposal. Monitoring and evaluation. Performance indicators. Defining and tracking key performances indicators such as collection rates, recycling rates and customer satisfaction helps the evaluate the effectiveness of the waste. Collection system. Continuous improvement. Regular monitoring and evaluation allow for adjustment and improvements to the system to address emerging challenges and changing needs. Stakeholders feedback. Engaging with residents, waste management professionals and other stakeholders can provide valuable insights or system optimization. Conclusion. Waste collection system design in a critical aspect of effective waste management. Considering factors such as waste generation rate, population density and accessibility